If I was to tell you that there's some small to medium-sized shrubs that are almost the perfect size for most garden situations, well, right about now I hear you saying, oh yeah, go on Pinocchio, tell me another one. Well, it's true. Beautifully patterned evergreen and semi-evergreen foliage, little mildly fragrant flowers from late spring and early summer all the way through to the winter time, both heat and drought tolerant. They attract pollinators and butterflies. They also are not normally troubled by things like deer and rabbits. They set out on HMS Alceste for the return journey to England. But she hit a reef, began to take on water, and the cry went out to abandon ship. And it looked like everything was lost. And here in this video, I'm going to take you and show you some beautiful little shrubs like I just described that are called Abelias, and I'm going to tell you all about them so that you can enjoy them in your garden too. So join me for the full guide premiering this Saturday at 8:30 a.m.